Rated amongst the top lights in aftermarket tests, the Nighthawk Variable Light Intensity Driving Lights by Bushranger 4x4 deliver an incredible amount of light. But what really sets them apart is not only their high performance, but their ability to put you in control of their brightness. With 7 different brightness settings, you have the ability to adjust the light output to match your driving needs. Set the brightness level you desire, then adjust it on the fly. Increase the light when you need to see further down the road, or reduce the light output to remove flare or bounce back from dust or reflective street signs. It gives you not only the power that you desire, but the ability to control it, resulting in the best visibility when driving at night. High output driving lights, designed and engineered in Australia using quality components and a 5-year warranty. Nothing else offers better control. Control the light, control the night. Find out more at bushranger.com.au/Nighthawk.